doing good. So today I have an unboxing to do with you. And yes, it is a BoxyCharm unboxing. So if you're interested in watching and seeing what's in this subscription box, keep watching. So this is the month of November, BoxyCharm, and the boxes are a little bit bigger. As you can see, they're bigger. So I don't know if that's more stuff, bigger items, I don't know. So if you're interested in watching, keep watching. So let's give you a sneaky peek. Oh, there we go. I think that was the spoiler card. Yes. Stellar. Okay, I see on top of the box we have a sample. It's Pretty Vulgar brand, and it's the lightweight concealer. It comes in different shades, as you can see. And it says it's a lightweight concealer. Okay. Next item we have is by Dose of Colors in the shade Nude Mude. Nude Mude. So let's see what this looks like. Oh, that's a pretty nude. Oh, that's very pretty. With the right lip liner. That's gorgeous. Look at that. And this is where it comes in. So pretty, so pretty. Pretty nude. So the next item we have, I see, is some lashes by Lily Lashes. These are real pretty and wispy. I'm starting to like their eyelashes. Are so pretty. There's the back. So yeah, I pretty much like that. So the next item we have, I see, is some makeup brushes. And it's not by anyone, it's by BoxyCharm. So this is their brand. It's 2 brushes. One like this. That's pretty nice to put on my bronzer. And then we have this one here. It looks more like a maybe foundation. Yeah, I think this one is more like a foundation brush. But here they are together. So yeah, two extra brushes. That's good this month. I can't wait to use them to see how they work out with makeup. So the next item I see is Caprice Antioxidant Dew Quench and Glow Serum. This is the box that it comes in. So pretty in foil. You see that? So pretty. So open the box. Ooh, it's blue. Purplish blue. And it says, apply several drops of Antioxidant Dew to clean skin morning and night. So you can use this morning and night. Okay, I like that. I love serums. I love putting serums on my face. And the last item we have for this month is by Sister Thunder Dominique Cosmetics. It's the way the front looks. Here's the back. Let's open this up to see the colors. Oh, wow. Wow. Okay. Wow. Look at those colors. Oh, wow. I'm going to swatch a couple. I'm going to do this pink one, which is called Lucid Dream. Lucid Dream. Storm Dust, which is this one. And Mystic Ice. Those are gorgeous. Look at those. gorgeous, gorgeous. And the shimmers. Let me try this dark matter. Oh, wow. Creamy to the touch. Oh, yes, I like that. And this one is called Dark Matter. Oh, that is pretty. Look at that. It looks like a purple shimmers is in there. But that is... Sorry about the interruption. So that was the last item of this month. So I also got something else in the mail, which BoxyCharm did reach out to me and say that they were missing something out of my previous month's box. So they sent it for me in this. And I didn't get my brushes. So I got my face brushes, which is wonderful. Wow. Oh, let's open this up. Yeah, so they come in a package like this. I'm going to take them all the way, but it's just, oh, they feel amazing. Let me just pull this one out, show y'all. Look at that. It is so buttery soft, so soft. But this is the item that they missed in my previous month box, so I'm glad that they finally sent that over. So if you enjoyed my video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any concerns or anything, drop them down in the comments below. Make sure that you are subscribed so that you can get my upcoming videos on time. And I want to wish y'all a wonderful day or night, whatever it is for y'all, inshallah. And I love you guys. Bye, guys.